Alright guys, so today I did a wiring harness for the SMG Shift Knob. So as you can see, you can get all these wires and pins online, but it's gonna cost you like 50 to 80 bucks with the connectors. So what I did is I went to my local junkyard, found the e90 BMW, took this apart, and then I cut these off so I can use them. Usually these are 4 wires, so I got 3 of them so I can put 2 extra wires on this side. There's a picture I'll show you guys. It's from not sure what's his name, but it's from e90 post. He figured this out, so I just used this picture to connect all these wires. So it's pretty simple. So these two, you're gonna need a ground and a positive. So when my shift knob comes in, I'm going to run these to my lighter socket. There's 2 wires. I cut that off and used it for my wireless charger, as you can see. So I'm gonna just install the knob. It's just something different. Let me unpack this, and then we're gonna go and install it, guys. So the shifter, it had that circle down on the bottom, which I cut it out, and as you can see the way it looks right now. So you're gonna get it through this hole all the way up to here. It's gonna be a tight fit, so once you do that, it'll stay on there and it's gonna look original. You won't notice the difference. This is gonna be under the stock leather, so you won't be able to tell the difference. So let me show you what I'm doing. Set you guys there, hopefully you can see. So make sure you turn the way you want it to be. Okay, so now okay. So see how I'm pulling? So now make sure you turn this the way you want it to sit. So now squeeze right here, kind of keep pushing it up and push the shifter down. So just keep doing it till you see how it's getting on it. So just a little more. Okay, now you turn the way you want it. Okay, so now you just pull, don't pull it all the way. Okay, and there you go. See how it looks? It looks like it was there. Alright, next thing, when you put in it here, make sure you watch this wiring harness so you don't pinch it. Alright, as you can see, it lights up, so at dark it'll be lighting up. So reverse, neutral, drive. So now I would want DS to light up, and then when you go like this, you should do these lines. I don't know if that can be done separately, not sure, but we'll see. As of right now, it's okay, and honestly it looks so much better. And yeah, as you can see, I moved my foot from the brake, and you can see you can get it out. So yeah, it looks much better. It's just something different. And no, I do not want it to look like a manual, as you can see here, there. So alright, well, thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, once I figure this out, I'll make a short video, let you guys know. But other than that, that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching.